maybe.
Tama na. If you have one thing na wala mo pa nasugit kay Bea, ano? Yay! Best wishes, Bea and Gab! I'm so happy for the both of you, and I'm sorry, it's already 3:20. Reception na po tayo diretso. It's my 4th wedding for this year na aatinan, and I'm really happy to all of my friends as they start their new life. Nanay! Ano yung mga message kay Bea kag kay Gab?
May you have a good life together.
Love, love. Alright, see you sa reception. Bye-bye. I am currently here at Mercury Drugstore. Na-trap po tayo. Yeah, hindi ko natiis. So, I have to go to the carriage para makita si Bea and Gab. Congratulations! Nagulan! Sorry! Kaya nagulan! Hindi ko. Congratulations! So happy for the both of you. Ay, nag-review ka lang! And ayun, we are now on our way to the reception hall, to Diversion 21, pero we are trapped. Can you see the ulan? Mas mabasa ko kadlawan ay magbulig sa nanay. We are now here at Diversion 21. Margaret Hall is on the 3rd floor. There we have Ryan and Bea. Yeah, and this is actually pala my 5th na wedding this year. And the 3rd one na reception yung napunta. Ay, grabe. Ay, ate. Hello. And we are now going up.
3rd floor.
Weddings and events, making your aspirations possible. Si Ma'am. And we are on table 3. Yun. Oh, look ko! Food kami ni sa Boracay. Tapos, tada! Makuha na ko souvenir. Ay, nakunin ako tayo. Amay? Anong usually ginagawa?
Babae, ano mang hari ko po siya never babae.
Yay! We have here Miss Claire. Miss Claire, sa mga gusto man nga may mga events, kung may mga souvenirs din kanila, pwede makita.
Sa amin Nails Perfume Iloilo, sa Facebook page lang.
Ayun. Contact 0917-311-5648 or 0917-779-0614. Thank you! Message na kami ngayon.
Hi, babe. Happy birthday. Best wishes.
Best wishes.
And yeah, we're so happy.
Ikaw na hindi ka happy, oh?
Happy.
See you soon after 10 minutes.
Okay, the camera.
Message mo kay Bea kung kay Gab. Message.
Sige.
Ano? Message mo kay Bea.
Congrats, guys.
Congrats, Bea and Gab.
Yay!
Congrats.
Congrats!
Congrats.
Congrats! Taring sayang. Message! Congrats! Yay! I got my photo. Merong coffee. Kuha tayo ng coffee here. You are here also? Again? Ano message kay Bea kagab?
Happy for you guys.
I'm happy for you guys. Ikaw? Ano?
Padayon.
Padayon sang? Oh. Ano yung
Stay
message?
in love.
Wow.
Padayon sa kabuhi.
Yun na.
Best wishes, all the best.
Meet my artista friend also.
Grabe.
Segway lang ako. Biskan kasal di siya ni Gab kag ni Bea. Anong mahambal mo sa imo nga Iron Heart performance?
Mas gwapo si Gab kaysa kay Richard.
Duwa ni silang heartthrob sa college. Pero sige, pasugtan ta. Ipangatto ta ning isa.
Mga pili Gab mo, gwapo na siya. Kalapitan mo siya.
Sorry, Bea.
Congrats, Bay and Gab.
Alam mo na.
Video one.
Chores! Ang matibot!
Message kay Bea kagab. Nakay Lucy. Message ano kay Bea kagab?
Okay?
Bea kagab, message.
Happy birthday. Congratulations. Congratulations, guys.
Kung gusto nila magpa-video sila mga wedding sa mga subscriber, paano kanila makontak?
Punta ka na Ruben Travels, guys.
Yay! Thank you! Gab is my loyal subscriber in my YouTube. Isa din siya sa mga nanalo ng aking pag-giveaway years ago when I started this channel. So, here he is in front of me. Let's wait after their conversation dahil interviewin natin siya. We have here, Mr. and Mrs. De La Vega. Ano po ang secret for a strong marriage? Yes, ma'am.
Understanding.
Wow, understanding. Ang bakagina ni Gab. If you have one thing na wala mo pa nasugit kay Bea, no? If you have one thing na wala pa nasugit.
Okay, why kami dan sikreto.
Ayun! That is the secret to a happily ever after. Dapat walang secret. Congratulations! Sige, enjoy. Approve ka ba, ma'am? Yeah, dapat. Yay, thank you! Best wishes, Bea and Gab! Message kay Bea, kag kay Gab!
I'm so happy for you. Enjoy your happily ever after.
Yeah! Wala, na-miss ko giding duwa ng mga best in extracurricular po di Bea, kagab.
Kailan lang, congratulations and enjoy this new journey in your life. Bisita lang, tadasan sila. Ano? Insert ko po sa speech eh.
Kami speech ka karon, ano yung shortcut lang.
Hello, Bea and Gab.
Hindi talaga kapaluman ng logo. Pero matagal ko gusto mong mag-learn kahit kaya lang. When I first met God, nalala ko yun sa isang maliit na meeting room sa SUV. Ang first impression talaga, sabi ko, ito, parang I think I would let God will be one of my best buddies.
Congratulations, guys. I'm so happy for you.
To those of you who can answer very easy questions about the couple correctly right now. All right.
Ito lang gani.
Hi there.
UP Visayas.
And the correct answer is UP Visayas. B, SM City. Let's see. No. All right. Or C. Louis. All right. What's your answer? A. Letter A. 14 years is correct. Letter A. That's October 28th. Are you sure? No, I'm asking you. Letter B. All right. B is correct. Congratulations. Thank you very much. Okay. Now, still congratulations. Photos. If you have one. And print it.
I am now at this point of my life na I have to really run so fast kasi kailangan kong manalo ng pag-giveaway. Man, pero So, unfortunately, yun.
Congrats, you'll get your prize.
Bakit wala ako nag-heels? Ang bata! Ay!
Look at this.
Okay, I am now at this point na I'm really feeling so bad. So,
Buksan ko.
kakain na lang tayo tapos alis tayo dahil hindi tayo nanalo sa palaro. Okay?
Ay, nag-heels sabi mo. Last time na wala ako nag-heels, nagdalagan ako doon. Ay! Grabe, ang hirap buksan. It says, celebrating our wedding was full of fun. It was all because we are surrounded with our loved ones. Thank you for being part of it. Love, Gab and Bea. beAdiaz. Game, di ba mahilig sila daan sa mga games, board games? Dapat ako to! Dapat wala ako nag-heels, my gosh! Gab, taga, iko di shout out sa imo. Balaan ko palang gamo ko. Please, Bea, just for now, ako rin palang gaon ni Gab. Please, padalin niyo ko ni... Ay! Baon ko to kay, baon ko ni kay... Hindi ko ni magbalik sa imo, ngayon.
The groom's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Ernie and Sheila Diaz. Welcome the bride's parents. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Mariano and Maria Evelyn Wong. It is my pleasure to introduce to you our newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Brian and beAdiaz.
Message kay Bea ka, Gab.
Congratulations, Gabby.
I'm also proud to witness in this 14 years of friendship with Gab and Bea that they have overcome a lot of challenges. One of which was their dance number kanina. Right? So a big round of applause to Bea and Gab for that very bold decision to dance in front of everyone.
Here we go. Can I do the first honor?
Gentlemen, we are going to enjoy a peace night.
Oh, walang tawa. Mga 2 weeks. Na-pressure. Na-pressure ako. Kasi buwas dapat kinang-medit ko na.
Both of you, may you have all the luck in the world as you endeavor to make your own family, and do stay as you are. Our family loves you, and we will always be there with you. Thank you. That's it.
Thank you so much to the father of the girl, Mr. Ernie Diaz. Cheers.
ako pwede.
This is one way to enjoy our celebration tonight. And of course, speaking of celebration, this will not be complete without some performances from the dearest family and friends of the couple.
Na-start ako sa original name ni Bea. When we were browsing on the baby's book name before, ba't ko balaan mo ni Bea? Your original name na napili namin was Bianca Janice. Okay, ang ganda yung name. Bianca Janice, ano yun? Ba't ano natago? Gusto nila palibot sa Bea dyan. Sa Thunder, si Bea, favorite juice niya Zesco. Tapos siya, doon na yung surprise. Basta, may kabilin ko 5 pesos para may bakul kasi magbuli. Pero actually, wala ko na siya kakaon. Gusto ko lang may double siya. So, I wish you the best. And, of course, at may cousins na si Calvin and si Kylie in the near future. So, we're looking forward sa mga little Gabs and little Beas in the future. Congratulations. Love you.
Thank you so much, PJ Wong, the brother of Bea.
Kita magtuon ka mo.
Tod ka.
Compromise din ka mga duwa, respect each other's opinions, and always have an open channel for communication. My greatest wish for both of you is that through the years, your love for each other will continue to deepen and grow, and may your years together, a husband and wife, will be filled with love, happiness, harmony, respect, and a happy and healthy relationship. And lastly, put God in the center of your marriage. Bring glory to Him. Let Him be the beacon of your love, because He will bless you both and help you guys overcome any obstacles in your journey. So God and Bea, congratulations and best wishes on a happy marriage.
Let's go home.
Nag-games, give me what I want. Ang nakatoys, mga cards, hindi na printed. Photos. Nagbalagan ko, maganitin sa news ko. Tapos hindi na floor after sa crystal. So wala ko wala ko siya wala ko. Pila price boom. No? Ano ba yung boom ka? Cards, wala ka.
Congratulations, Bea and Gab!
Ayaw kayo nakahapit ka mo sa akong yung channel. Kung bago pa lang ka mo diri, pindot ang subscribe button, pati ka ang lingganay, kag hindi pagkalimtin. Ruby Inspired!